Okay, so Rose has sent me the next iteration of the video, and what I'm seeing is a really good video showing how the silicone molding is done for the deltoid muscle injection phantoms. And so what we're seeing right here is the after view of the process, and she's going to go into detail about how she went about making them in the first place. So one of the nice things that she did is at about the 40-second mark right here, she's talking about the setup and safety concerns about making these models, including the use of fans for ventilation. We have spoken about putting a list of materials at the very beginning of the video, and that's something that will be added later. After that, what we need is to show you that around 1 minute and 30 seconds, so about right here, she starts talking about the materials, like the EcoFlex material, and she'll show the two bottles as well. And so that's a really good thing, showing that these will be mixed together. At about 1 minute and 55 seconds, so just around here, she talks about using the mixing cups as well. And because that's not an obvious thing, showing to the viewers how she's using these 30 milliliter cups is really important too. Around minute 2:15, what we're seeing is that she has a discussion about how she's made these sort of outer molds right here, and that would be the subject of another video. At around 2 to 3 minutes, let's see, 3 minutes right here, she gets into the details about molding, or sorry, putting the gel into these cups, and I believe it was 5 cups of each, the yellow and blue materials that she mixes together. So that's good. Let me see, at 4 minutes and 30 seconds, yeah, right here, she gets into the details about how much pigment to use. One of the surprising things that students find with this is you don't actually need very much pigment. So she gives an idea of how much to use with respect to a simple everyday item, a dime. So that's really good. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. We advance right here. She's showing how she puts these inserts in order to make space for the red muscle that she'll be adding 24 hours later. So she's showing how to insert space into the silicone down here, so that there you can see it rising right there. And she's going to leave this alone for 24 hours. So that's really good. 6 minutes and 15 seconds. She's saying that she has to wait 24 hours, and then she does, and she starts the video over again. Let me see. After that, at minute 7, here we go. We're seeing the before and after. And this is really good for students to get an idea for why they're going about doing this and what the before and after actually look like. She then repeats the whole process more or less for the red muscle. And so around 8 minutes and 30 seconds, right around here, we can see that she's once again mixing in the pigment. So a very good job of being very clear about that. And then around minute 10, she gets into the detail about how to insert these wire sheaths. And that's to mimic or simulate the blood vessels that would be used in practicing, for instance, for injections. Okay, and then at minute 10:40, right around there. Now she gets into a deeper discussion about why, or a reminder of why these are important as well. So good contextualizing right there. All right, so I think she did a fabulous job with this, and so now I can send this feedback video to her. Well done, Rose.